there's a lot of swallows here flying around. And in fact, when I came in, I'm in the Wexford Wetland Centre. And look at, there's swallows, they have a nest in here. And one of them was flying around inside. They actually have a nest over there. You can see the poo just above the window here. So I think the young bird will probably fly back in as soon as I leave. Oh, he's in already. He's now flying around me. Or he was flying around me. Where'd he go? He's only just fledged. Oh, there's the nest. Right over the door, in fact. I think he's gone back into his nest. It's hard to leave home. There's a few nests. Wow. Well, he might have just flown in one window and out the other before I could actually see him. So I'm going to... Oh, look at that. Great place for swallows. Yep, he wants to come in the window, but I'm kind of in the way. Whoop, look at that. I think there are probably also nests on the outside above the window. Yeah, I suspect now if I stand back a bit, that swallow will fly back into the building here. They're very good at coming indoors. Oh, look at that. Oh, I think it's easy to say this is the best swallow video I ever got. So if you like swallows, then head to the Wexford Wildfowl Reserve on the slobs. Ooh. Oh, there he is. Oh, he flew out. No, I'll sit back and be more quiet. Yeah, because this is their home and they're leaving it. It's a big shock when you've been raised somewhere and then you're going to leave. Oh, two of them. Oh, there's two chicks. That I didn't know. Well, one of the things we're all told about is it's illegal to film birds writing at their nests. But what do you do when the birds are actually in a hide designed for people to view and photograph birds? And that's what happened to me. It's funny. Anyhow, this is the main bit of the hide. Main bit of the wetland centre. Looks pretty nice. And the sun is coming out. See meadow ants here on these violas. Well, actually they're pansies, I think. They're violas. June violas. I think these are mallows, but I'm not sure, and they live on the dune. Have a lovely scent. Yeah, really nice. And there's a good few different things down here worth having a look at. And including, there is 6-spot burnet moth resting. Oh, very docile moth. Yeah, this is lovely. And here's a grasshopper. I think it's a meadow grasshopper. Yay! Hopping away. Only slightly irritated by me. And so this is the gatekeeper. It's smaller than the meadow brown and very pale by comparison. It's beautiful. It's only slightly smaller than the meadow brown, but noticeably. And it's really great to see it down here in the Raven Nature Reserve. And this is one of the mushrooms that grows on pine roots. I think it's called a russet, but I'll have to look that up. Interesting though. Beautiful. I don't see them around. I'm not sure what these pine trees are for sure, because we're coastal here. They're not like the Spanish umbrella pines, but they're kind of serving the same role. I just got a bad horsefly bite on the knuckle, so I can see very dark rain cloud coming this way, so I'm going to get closer to the car park where I left my car. But all around here, these beautiful mushrooms. That's a big bull grey seal. Sleeping and yawning off Curracloe Beach.